What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to your boy Director J. You know it's 416 to 876 Jamaica. Yes, we people. So we're on our next vlog. We are walk and talk. Right now we're at Thompson Park. So I'm going to show you a piece at Thompson Park while we walk and we talk. Alright people, go and check it out, man. Yes people, so this is one of the parks in Toronto. This one is in Scarborough. Okay, so anybody who come here, when you come here in the summertime, because like I said, in the summertime, people over here is really attractive. And you make no see, I have a little river right over there, so if I don't know if you can see a little thing, you know. But in the summertime, if you come for summer attraction and thing, Toronto is the place. I don't need to leave Toronto in the summertime. I'll be dead honest with you now. I don't need to leave Toronto in the summertime to come back to Jamaica. I don't know why. But as soon as the cold lick, God bless America. And me gone, pack bags and leave back to Jamaica. My mom tell you that you can't stay in place of people. You understand? But I just want to show you the park. This one is called Thompson Park. This one is located in Scarborough, my people. Alright, so you come to Toronto, you want to chill out, you want to go one park, we go chill out with your friends them. This park is cool. Alright? So now, back to me again now, people. Because serious talking today, you know. Black machine, you know. Because I said last two episodes, we talk about getting the land, digging the foundation, and steel work. So you know which part we're there right now. After we done the steel work, you know, people, and the casting of the steel work, you know, say, a blocking time start, right? So we made it at Jamaica last year now. I buy a black machine, but we gotta get down to the nitty gritty. So first you have to go to your mason or your contractor, whoever you have, and deal with your project, you know, people. Because you're not cheap, you know. But people watch them, I'm showing you a nice little forest shot too. You see? You can walk go in there and show you to, you know, people. But in the too darkish, but it's a nice little, you know. I tell you over here, it's a nice and pretty man, people. You understand? But I like me, I say, I'm going to try to take the time out and go to all the different parks. Probably shoot some vlogs for the downtown Toronto, in the west, all over. That I have time, I go around and show. You know. But yeah, this is Thompson Park again, people. Located in Scarborough. Alright, Scarborough, Toronto. If you want to put it that way. We're still in Toronto. Alright, people. But back to me again, you know, people. So now, you do your foundation. First you buy your land, first you leave wherever you are. You get up, book your flight and go. Not trust nobody for buy nothing for you. Alright. Remember me did warn you, you know. Remember Director J did warn you know, people. Remember 416-876 channel warn you know. Pack your bags. Till for 1 week you can stay for you go. No make nobody do nothing for your people. You can't trust, not even your mama you can't trust. Me sorry. You can't trust some mothers and fathers still, you know. And some cousins and sisters and brother. But not all of them. I'm not going to tell you say you can't trust nobody. But sometimes, if you know say somebody shady, brother, not send them too much money and make sure. I don't know. I don't know no people. Because I just hear the story of them and them still a pile up on YouTube. And you can go watch them. And everybody you can't trust no people. Cha man. But like we say, we back to it again. And we back to the I'll give her one break, I drink a one cup. I have a look at Mac Cafe. I'm going to take a one sip and get back to me. Here people. Up. Alright my people, yes no man. So I saw the local river them and thing look through here. Now like again, a local stream, you know, no. You see it all dirty right now. I don't know what them are doing in the water up there, so, you know, but I saw them could play us a look, you know, man, people. You understand? But I see the comments, them, you know, people. I mean, thanks again, you know, I want them to continue comments, you know, I appreciate the comments. So one person a comment and I say, should me pay cash? I said, the person why I pay cash for the land, right, people? The person never wanted me to give him any bank draft. in the bank, no check, no direct deposit. Him say him want him cash, and that's why I make sure videotape it, everything. And with the justice of the peace, we'd have to sign over the land, the title too. And then after that, it's not down there. Me have to now get my surveyor, and then me have to when my surveyor said me no, my title, me have to send that now to a lawyer, and I think it's the parish minister or parish court or whatever now, to actually cut off my piece of land from his piece, because he's still paying the tax, right? So he must still have to pay the tax on the land, because my piece is not fully cut off from fee piece. You understand, people? Oh, let me show you the bridge piece. Yes, my people. So, most Jamaica that just set up for them place them. A lot of places them with the streams and river, and build a park around them so people can actually go out and have some fun and just enjoy life. You know? But like it now go start. If it not start, you understand? Some places like them a try, people. Some places I can see, so them are definitely try to make it work. But yes, my people. And then I seen a next comment. Somebody call me that tell them say, my name that forget no, what them call them things there? No approval to build the house. But and then a Lexi lady say, when she bought her land, she never need no approval either, like parish council or anything to approve your project or approve your plan of your house. But she say right after, somebody else must buy land right beside her. It ain't I comments, people. You can go check it out. She say somebody else buy land right beside her, and they had to get approved. So I say all of them things they soon stop at Jamaica. So all of the rural area, them country area, farmland area, them where them just start get built up and stuff like that. On hurry up and build, people. I say on hurry up and build, because it now go pretty pound, You see them already are forced to hold out to go buy gated community house already. Apartments. It now gonna be cheap. So on hurry up and build before all the measures they take place, where you can have to do all of that, because like it's gonna be expensive. You understand me, people? So take heed, people. Take heed. You want from now. Alright, my people. So now again, so we're past now. We get with foundation now, people. We get with steel work done and everything. Now time for the blockings, people. Time to get your block machine up and ready, You understand? Nice little part. Over there, so them have a dog park also. If you want to bring your dogs and stuff, you can bring your dog them and stuff over there, so, and go and chill out. One next local one stream again. And then Lazy Man River. It seems to be. And they are mad me though. But then you have a little kids section over there, so now you can bring your kids to the park and make them play around. But I go run to the ball field and you can see where them play the ball them. And stuff over here. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, I want to check it out, man. Just go on a mini tour, Don't want the vlog then to be boring. So I try to do these videos at different parks and different places. Some of them just go walk on the street and go to, different neighborhoods where people who used to live here, probably back overseas now. And I remember Toronto or Scarborough look. And I'm happy to see some of them type of videos here. Because I show the Canada side, I'm there Jamaica, I show the Jamaican side. You understand, my people? So I have the kids section over this. So you can chill out. Like it's a nice day out today. Think about 26 Fahrenheit right now, or degree or whatever they want to call it, Celsius. But yes, my people. I go back over the ball field right now and get in depths. Oh, everything is. You have the ice cream truck over there, so. You have the parking lot over there, so. So you have everything. So you just come enjoy yourself with your kids them. See the man there work out right there, so. You have the dog park. You know, you can come by, come enjoy yourself. Like I said, summertime in Toronto, I think it's the best. I will not leave here in the summertime. Plus summertime, when most people work, if you do your construction job or stuff like that. Like me, a photographer and director, so I do a lot of music videos and photo shoots. You understand? But we walk go for the ball field right now. I mean, I'm not a big photographer and a big director to people. You can check me up on Instagram if you don't like. But you don't want to cross my business with each other. I don't really promote my channel. That's why you guys don't even see it in my YouTube videos. I just started this channel brand new to just do me. You understand, people? Nothing fake about it. Nothing hard about it. But right now, people, we are go back to the ball field and we can sit down and really talk. And have a long talk. We make you know life. But life not pretty enough, people. Out there hard enough, people. And if you build your house and send your money go abroad, and family member take you away, friends take you away, and you go down there and nothing not there. You put a lick in your head, man, people. Because remember, you know, for rent one 2-bedroom up here so right now, Toronto. Some place I tell you 2 to 3 grand, you know, people. If you have 2-bedroom now, worse if a condo you're going to rent. You God bless your soul, you know, people. And then you only make $4,000 a month. And if you make $4,000 a month, you know, you have to make what? That's almost 26. No, that's almost $30, what, $30 an hour. That's 6 grand. You minus tax and everything. You probably walk out with $4,500, my people. When everything come out of your paycheck, you know, people. And then know that you have to go live off, you know, your people. And then you have family member, you beg you and this and that. And people, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. So, I just have to just save up no money and do nothing. And go do nothing abroad. Don't trust nobody if you do it for no. Because I'm sorry for no if you go send off so much $1,000 you save up. Take your lifetime to save up $30,000-$40,000 to go buy one piece of land. And then you hear say no land never did it. And the people when you send your money then disappear, people. No, come on, man, better smart up. Better you take your time. For 2 weeks you have got to take off work, you better you take it 2 weeks off work to go make it happen. Because at the end of the day, that's going to be better for you. You're going to lose a 1 week paycheck. Lose the 2 weeks paycheck if you have to. Go on to Jamaica, go build your house. You understand? Build your Airbnb or whatever it is. You understand, people? Go on, man, go, get up. Sit down. So last year, COVID time, Father God give me the energy, you know, people, and the money, you know, man. And I just say, you know, I'm not stay for the winter here, you know. I pack my bags and I leave 2020. Yes, 2020 or 2021 March, I build the house. I start the house there. It's not finished yet, you know, people. Because I bring along the journey of all the video clips that I have and people still have to send me the video. Because right now, all know you know done. For show you how hard it is. You understand? And when I say that people are build them house, you know, I say, oh, come them not done yet. But the way of material costs, labor costs, and then, and like we are worth millions over here, so. And then we still have to pay rent over here, so food, gas gone sky high. And I say not gone sky high at Jamaica, but Jamaica people just have to worry about Jamaica. We have to worry about here and there. At 2 places we are worried about, you know, people. You know how hard that is and stress for some of our people. Remember, you know, Jamaican people only worry about Jamaica. Alright, because they live there. We who live here and want to live there, we have to worry about 2 places, people. We are trying to get a spot here and we are trying to get a spot there, and the money we go send go over there for get our spot on a rabbit. That's going to make me want to come back there, people. I saw it go. Remember me tell you that. And that's why so much people dead over that. Ras. Sorry for the bad word, no, people. That's why people dead over that. Because people put out it. Because people can't send them $100,000 and $200,000 and then it just misses so. It just misses on too corrupt, man. And you need to stop that. That's why no more people not even want to trust nobody to build or nothing or buy nothing, no much people. So then now go back to the country there. The amount of people and friends me have not even visit them, now want to visit Jamaica, you know. 2 other people make it bad, man. But there's gonna be a change, people. You can't make that stop you from going back to your own country. That me I try to tell you. So you get up and you go and you deal with your business yourself. You just want them run you when you go. You buy them some food and give them some money here and there. Not send you $30,000-$40,000. Go give them. Me I talk pound, US or Canadian. You know do that, people. You go down there with your money. You have to get your bank account. Send your money in your bank account. Save it. When you go down there, you buy your thing. Or like if your debit card work down there, you save your money in your bank here. And you go down there and you use a debit card. Me use my CIBC debit card and me draw over so much money out of that. Over 50,000 of me go to Jamaica and draw out of my debit card in Jamaica. You understand me? I'm going to tell you the exact amount, you know. But you can use a card and draw because it's legit money. And no thieving money, so the government see where your money is coming from. You understand me? I try to say no drug money, no scam money or anything like that. You take your money out, you save your own money in your bank account here. And you don't have to walk with that dollar in your pocket, people. Don't walk with that dollar. You just go down there, you call your bank account, your bank, and tell them, so listen, I'm going to be abroad or wherever country. So they release your money and release a daily amount also. Okay? You go back on the topic now, people. We're going to take a short break. You understand? So I just want to think about what I just say, people. And just think good, Because we're going to do a long video today, but I want to think good. Because I have a photo shoot to do after this. You understand? So we're going to take a break and go and chill out and enjoy the sport. Oh. Yes, my people, I'm ready to act up. But it's just a vibe, man, people. Just come by, man, and enjoy your life, man. Go outside, summertime, don't sit down up in the house, my people. Don't sit down up. Now watch me. Go in the night time and go watch me. You understand? Yes, man. In the night time and watch me. Don't watch me in the daytime. Go enjoy the time with the kids them and thing, man. Come out of the house. We boil up in the house all winter long. All winter long. All we do is work and sleep. Work and sleep. Work and sleep. When you go outside, go enjoy life. Sure. Alright, people. So now we'll get to the point of the show. Buying a black machine. So people, so after you decide how much black you need, right? Because for my project, I say I'm going to need about 10,000 blocks. That's about $10,000 Canadian. Right? Because at 10 grand, at 100. At 10 grand, so see black thing you know. Business there go up right, a blocking machine and thing. You could chuck it right as I try to build him. Just come out of jail now, prison man, Yeah man, a prison man. Bucky right as I work on it, going over there so. Peter blocks them around there so and thing. Check it out, and Jim. See, yeah.
Sir, give me anything where I can't find it now, man.
Wait there. $1,000 Canadian at 100,000 so. $100,000 per 1,000. Right? And you're going to need about 10,000. So that's a $1 million Jamaican. Right, my people? So me that try to take the cheaper way out, but that end up costing me real money because I buy a black machine. One of the business up here right now. Just start with black machine, black business. You see it? So we just make things happen day by day in Jamaica. When I have to post everything, just make things appear and be themselves, right? And so I'm going to make blacks and have my own blacks to produce. But by the black machine, say the black machine was about 350,000 to 450,000 now. But the man know my father, so he give you a deal, say for 250 to 300,000 dollars. I can't remember. That could have gone 3,000 black already, people. I mean, I eat that, Remember now, you still have to buy cement and mall and sand. Then you have to pay a workman now to build them. And then you have to get truck. Now the black them a move. Load up the truck to head out. Black reach right now people. So black machine I make be a black I push out black like yards. Still have to have one cold beer drink, right? Yeah. If you bring them all the way from a place, I have to bring them say about a half an hour, almost an hour drive away to the place to buy the land at the end of the day. So all of that add up and cost me way more money. You understand? And in black machine business, people, it's not as easy as you think it is, Because you go buy the black machine, you go buy the sand, you go buy the mall, and you go buy the cement, and you have to have the laborer, you got at least need 2 to 3 people to work that machine for you. You understand? So at the end of the day, we try it out into that work and stuff like that. But it did cost me too much more money. But I didn't want to say nothing because I don't go the route there already. I don't try to make it work. But at the end of the day, like, I leave the machine with my father, them, my family there. So hopefully them use it, take good care right, and try to make the business work. But like, don't go the black machine way because it's gonna cost you more money in the end. If you're not building on your own site at the same time. If you don't build on your site now, yes, but if you have to deliver the product and everything like that, it don't make no sense. Because like me say, no, the black machine, our cost, but I probably right now it raise probably $450,000. And then now you have to pay people now to build the blocks. I remember you still have to buy sand, that's the next $30,000 to $50,000. You have to go buy gravel. I remember, each load of sand and gravel with the cement where you get, I gonna make you about, and that will cost you about $100,000 sand, gravel and cement. I'm paying people, and that gonna make you about, out of the load, I gonna make you about 3,000 block. So now you're gone what? $400,000 and $500,000 for those 3,000 block. So you lose 2,000 block right there, so. But then again, I put one next 100,000 again, and make a next 3,000 blocks. So that gone 6,000 blocks. So I'm not going to say no the work, people, because I do back the match right now, people, you see. But at the distance, and the people may have to pay to deliver. And that's why it hurt my pocket a bit. But like me say again, do people, because if you're going to need 10,000 block, that's $1 million, You understand? And you build on your own site. And you there to orchestrate everything. You have to there, people. You have to there. If you're not there, don't make it work. Just go buy your black them and get things done. Because even if you done that now, you can't even rent out your black machine too. And make money then. When you done build your black cars. Remember, your house alone are going to run you. If you build all the upstairs, downstairs house, 2 storage house. That's going to run you. Because my house run me about 4,000 block. Because I go upstairs and downstairs. Right? And then now, the perimeter wall now around the house, around the land. My bottom part, you see it. So right now, tomorrow, we around them, I go for tomorrow now and block up that. And then start block up, I have to get the water properly. Because the drum bust, so I have to get that thing for tack it up so we can get water Monday. So then can start mix up in the middle now. And start go up with the black them, I have to get the cut out them, the right cut out them. For show them by Monday. But now you can see more evidence and proof, say. We're on our journey. We're moving, we're making it work bit by bit. Alright? See black them here. We are line up now, so you don't know. So by a little later, we up black them reach, because you see it's already half of me that reach, So you know. So I know nothing. When this done block up, you can see so fast the man move about 200 block then late today. Itself that you gotta go about 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, tap it up about 5,000 block. So let's say like again 10,000 block you gotta go, depending on how big your lot is and depending on how big your land is. Cause me like me say, I bought only 2 square, 130, 15 feet one way and 86 feet the next way. You do the maths for one playing field and you see how big that place is. It's not that big, but it's big enough for me to work it. I understand? And I like me to try to build a mansion down there, people. Because remember again, how much months I can really stay at Jamaica. I have to always be back here because I have to work. You understand? Same thing you have to look on it. Why you can build one gigantic place where you only live in a 1 bedroom? 3 bedroom is the most, man. So right now, when me even come up here, I had an extra room upstairs. Because I wasn't going to do no upstairs. I'm going to put the outside stairs. Like me say, all of these stuff you will see on video, throughout the videos them in people. But like me know with the back on the blocking again, people. So, it's 50-50 with the black machine. You either buy a black machine, or don't buy a black machine. Because at the end of the day, it's going to work out to around the same price. But at the end of the day, if you have somebody trustworthy, we can give you back money for your black machine, or you rent it to somebody, you just rent the black machine in, and say, you give me $50,000 a month. and go on with the machine and then work it and then make them money and you get a 50 grand a month. That can't work still. You understand? That can't work. Or you say the 50 grand the way that I get, you tell them, say, yo, deliver 500 blocks every month. I'm going to the machine. But every month I need 500 blocks delivered to my house. You understand? That can work very easily. But I say do that then. Yeah man, that can work. But you have to have trustworthy people. We have to do business with. If you don't have no trustworthy people, don't bother do it. Take your things and leave. Or you just buy a block them and call it a day. You understand? But me now go get into where me go wrong with the black machine now. Because I like me say again, a family mess up my black machine thing. You understand? I'm now get down too deep. Probably one day people message me and they want to know why and stuff. I'm going to show you the black machine, show the videos and stuff, and I'll show them black them. And also now I'm going to see the foundation of the house started with blacking up. You understand now? And you can see now I start black up the place now and everything like that. And again, where I go, I saw a comment again in the video. And I must say where I went wrong again, I was paying people daily. And because I weren't there, I don't know what time these people are showing up at work, you know. But then I send me video. And they call me, although I was still in Jamaica, but it was like 45 minutes away from me to get there. Right? So the lady was saying you should have did what do you call that? See right now, still I work on the place right now. I'm at the next part of the foundation. Right now, right, just all line up for the foundation and everything. And they are at work. See the part now. We have to finish up the foundation ground part right now. But we don't have no water because the barrel bust. I'm going to show you why we're stagnant with it and we can't move. With the foundation right there, so now I go up. You can see it all the way around now. Don't let's go do next. But right there, so the barrel. See it like bust, so I just buy one stop a leak. Feet. So that may will do up today. So tomorrow the water can come. But otherwise everything they now done up. The foundation really still. So now we can see how far it up now still. That's it. So after that I just block around left. Block up the upper part of it. So now the foundation and the thing. That's it. Me and Peter blocks come out. My walk now. My move like a sturdy now. Peter blocks, so what up?
What up?
My move sturdy now. But yeah. I have to fix the water issue because it's out. That's why them have to get the water, them have to bring the drum them to bring water in. So that we are going to fix up today now. So tomorrow then get some water and then big black drum there and fill up the rest of the thing them and get the thing then going. But all around, that's how it look. Yeah, almost done it up and thing. Yeah man. So we go on the next update. We're on the R5 building and going up with everything properly. You know? Just to make it work, man. Pay them by project. Right? So that may actually have to make you know people. If you go to any business down there, you pay the people them by project. Nothing else. You don't do nothing else. Just pay them by project. Because you're not dead, don't pay nobody daily. Don't pay them body. Yo, how much for this finish? How much block? How much run 1,000 block for me? $2,000, $200,000, $100,000. Alright, run the 1,000 block there for me when you're done. When you're done, I pay you. That is it. Don't pay them daily people because you're going to lose. You're going to lose and you come back and come tell me. Because me tell you no. Don't pay nobody daily. But like, the end of the day, we live and we learn. And that is it. If you never live and learn, I'm here come talk to you. I live and I learn. That's why I'm here to tell you that, people. I'm not here to brag or boast. So I learn and I lose a lot. Lose a whole heap of $1,000 after that we could have saved to finish up the place already. You understand? We still get down to the nitty-gritty, people. So I say, buying a black machine, it's 50-50 in Jamaica. And because everything I go up to, you have to have deals where you get the cement them from. You don't need the cement from the cement, but you can get the half-treated cement, 1. And 2, from you have a sand link and a mall link, you're good to go. And if you have a worker, you can work with the workers them and pay them, you know, you're good to go. You understand? Or you have to make your link them your own self and make it work. But like, again, I would say, you're not going to go wrong either way. Either buy a black machine or you don't buy the black machine. At the end of the day, around the same price, but you'd still make a look of money as a businessman if you leave your machine and you rent it out to somebody where you can make a money from. You understand? But like I said, I left mine to family and then do what them doing, and that's and everybody can help more time, you know, people. Remember me tell you that, you know, because you think you help people and then see man I broke your blood. Sure. Them see man I broke it down, you know, people. That may make you know, you know. You know why I'm not wear glasses when I do my video them? Because I want to look in my eyes so I know so true with me talk, see my feelings. Because it hurt people, it hurt. So much money you lose and you can't get it back. And you have to go work hard again up here. Work hard. Not hard, son. Hard to know. Rain and storm, anything you have to go look it. You have to go work it. Because it not come for free. It not come for free, people. But like we say, we buy we land. That was part 1. Part 2, we cut out the land and everything. And we dig the foundation. And our part 3. Blackings now, because we do the steel work in a part 2 in a people. And our blackings we reaching up people. So we're going to show how far we reach on the black part and stuff like that, you know. Part 4, as part we're going to still talk about different things, but I still blackings again, because blackings never stop until the house reach where it reach. And I still can go no more tips and opinion and want to hear. But part 4 is going to be a next video, you know, people, but because we're there here, we still at the things them. And like I said, we just there at the park at chill. We have a photo shoot for go do right now. But we're still there here. I tell you the things them about buying a black machine and not buying a black machine and building. You understand? But as soon as you start black up in the people, I can see a big smile on your face because no one can see the project coming to life. Yeah, man. So that's how we do, you know, people. So we see the project come to life, like I say. Rule number 1, not rule number 1 or whatever. Just number 1 of the one them that I tell you, say, yo, you know, pay the people them by the project and not by daily. 1. 2, you can go 50-50 on a black machine. You either lose or you either win. You understand? But me that still say, if you have good people around you, I would say buy the black machine because you can still make a profit off it. Even if them have to come drop off 500 blocks a month time in your yard, and when you can have your camera them and your seat dead, yes, or people dead and them account and you know say you're dead. Now finish up the inside part them are there right now. They done cast up the bottom them part light. Everything cast up place kind of wet, but see that rain today, so the place wet up. So then done cast out the middle part them and stuff right now. So all the middle part get cast out. So I just them go around right now for finish up. So that's the middle piece them putting my foundation now on the walls and things for go up and now since start down this already. So tomorrow then it's done up in the middle part them. So we take it back the next week again and then start go up. Still have some gravel and sand. We have beer blocks them around there, so after the next part I block them. Yeah, so the drum right as a bus. I get to fix tomorrow though. And this is how I block them. Around so we block up. The beer block right there, so there's so much block we have this is it. And beer block yes again. And stuff. So we mix inside. Yeah. I mix right there, so now middle part everything cast up now. I'm ready for go again now. You see it there. So now I just now middle part them now the partition walls them. Now middle part them already there. Column up. the stuff them, you can't see it already. So now, yeah, so them I do up first. So by tomorrow we'll come back now. All of them party I go done up. All I partition wall them. Then money then start go up for everything and they cut out them and everything. Alright. So at least you can see a bigger view, a better view of it right now. So I saw it I go move. I go down. I make move man, start work. Sun I come back out there. But yeah, I'll cut down the tree as soon as them start reach up. So I will cut down the branches soon. You see it, Darby? I will cut down the branches. Yeah. Yeah, I will cut down that too. You know, add a couple more rows and finish up right there. So. And then up this to left. And we're done up right, this is done. You know, so yeah, I move still. We have 2 barrels, I just buy the next barrel and put it down there. So we have 2 barrels and a couple drums. See what blue drum that we'll get to. We just full up all of them here with water. Tomorrow the water man come. So we're not gonna issue with water for the rest of the week and so on. So we're gonna make it work and get everything done this week. Alright. You're good to go, my peeps. You understand? Or you just go the route and just go buy your 10,000 blocks. Them you know so that's gonna be about $10,000 if I Canadian. Or about whatever it's pound or whatever it's US. So it's cheap. You understand? So yes, you put on your money and you just build. It's not hard enough people, but it takes time. But if you have all of the money up front and you have trustworthy people, go and buy your land, people, and go build, man. Buy your land in nice areas. Not gonna ghetto. Not gonna ghetto people. Yeah, idiot, you can come from and ghetto and build up big house, build up mansion, and when a man beside you still living in one board house. And them are rob you. No go back around the people. No go back around no ghetto people. You live a foreign now, them see you different. That's your next episode. I said that's your next episode. But people, I just want to go and share the video them, you know, man. I make sure I enjoy the little laughter sometime, you know. Because I can't sit down here and be too serious with it, you know, because I'm not going to like that, you know. Although a serious topic these, you know. A serious man, you know. You understand? But I can't be too serious. You understand, my peeps? But yeah, man, people, I just want to like and share and subscribe, man, people. I see the subscriber go up. I see the views about go up. Put a smile on my face to come back out to come do this again. You understand me, people? Someone to share, man, and subscribe and like the page, people. Like and subscribe. Share to a friend them. Share the video, my people. Share. Make them hear what me I talk, say, man. So I don't lie. Make them feel what me I feel. Show them part 1 and show them part 2 and part 3 with them people. You understand? Share, like, and subscribe, my people. And bless up, you know, say your boy Director J. Remember, you know, people, subscribe to 416-876 Jamaica. When I at Jamaica, I'm showing you Jamaican side. When I at Toronto, I'm showing you Toronto side. But the Airbnb is soon done. Remember, I'm telling that people, when you see one can come book it. We are going to show you. Alright, my people, I'm out. I just want to big up all of you. And have a good weekend, because I Canada Day weekend, we are going to put up the video, you know, people. So, just big up on yourself.